Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to log into a CoinMarketCap account using the CoinMarketCap application on your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, open the CoinMarketCap app on your mobile device and make sure that you are in this page. Now, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on the login option appearing at the top. Now, enter your email address associated with your CoinMarketCap account, followed by your account's password. If you've previously used the social accounts option at the bottom to sign in, you may go ahead and choose one of those as well. Since I used email option to create an account, I'm going to have to do the same here. Type in your valid email address and then your password for your account in the respective text boxes. After you do that, click on the login button. You will then be able to sign in and access your dashboard, portfolio, and explore the latest cryptocurrency data within your CoinMarketCap account. If you found the guide to be helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.